Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Kung bago kayo sa channel ko, huwag niyo kalimutang mag-subscribe. Ang tutorial natin ngayon ay tungkol sa pag-check ito. So, stay tuned.
The motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Shoutout nga pala. Shoutout sa'yo. Yung request mo po ay nasa description, yung link. So, yun guys. Ano?
So first we need to enable desktop site. To do that, we need to click the three dots in the upper right corner. Then scroll down to desktop site. Make sure it has a check. When it's done, you can go now to youtube.com. And then go to our account. Then go to YouTube Studio. And in the YouTube Studio, we need to go to Video Manager. And there in the Video Manager, we can see our videos. There in an example, my recent upload has a copyright claim. So we need to click copyright claim, then see details. Then we can see the copyright summary and status. When our video has copyright claim, it cannot be monetized. Now we can scroll down. There we can see what part of our video has a copyright claim. Now we can select the action we want. There you can see video cannot be monetized when it has copyright claim. Now we can select action. We can trim out or remove the part that has copyright claim, or we can replace the song. I've tried to replace the song in my cell phone, but it was not successful. Maybe in the desktop computer you can try it. What I always do is I mute the song when it has a copyright claim. So just select mute song. In the mute song, you have two choices. You can mute all sound, you can play songs, or you can mute song only. I always choose mute song only. It will mute the part that has copyright song. Just click mute. Then it will process the video. While processing, you can close it. I'll just upload the custom thumbnail while waiting.
A few moments later.
There you can see the restriction, the copyright claim has been removed. So guys, if this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. So guys, help me reach my 1000 subscriber. Thank you for watching.